The exhaust cover directs the exhaust air from your nail gun. The cover is adjustable, so you can direct the exhaust where you want it to go. The exhaust cover can be broken if the gun is dropped. Replacing the exhaust cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old exhaust cover from the nail gun. It's secured with a single screw. Now I can install the new exhaust cover. I'll place it onto the gun, reinstall the washer, and secure it with the screw. I want to be careful that I don't over-tighten the screw, or I won't be able to adjust the cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new exhaust cover on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.